eero's equipment is the best equipment on the market. And it's not because they're good looking. It's because they deliver a simple user experience.
Our purpose and why we exist is making technology simplify and improve people's life every day, and to improve and give an exemplary customer experience.
The main reason that we choose eero was we want to go closer to the customer. We want to put technology on their hands.
No contar con internet en uno.
Without internet at home, children can't study or communicate. And people become disconnected this way. For us, solving these issues and meeting our customers' daily needs is critical. I would say the main challenges with internet in homes today are stability, reliability, and network coverage. With eero and our fiber optic network, we're able to meet that need across Chile. You open a new device, click, and you're connected. That's it. Very simple, very easy, very intuitive.
eero has helped us convert leads, which grew 176%, to sales, because customers now value and understand that they'll have premium quality internet experience. That increased 56% sales conversion rate.
Today, in the GTT network, we have more than 170,000 connected devices. 20% of our customers have more than 50 devices on their networks, and that's only thanks to eero.
GTT is a premium brand and always looking for strong brands to go along with us. eero is a great brand. It has helped us strengthen our brand value.
The future of the internet in Chile, from my point of view, it will grow. eero is going to be a relevant player in being able to meet these expectations of our clients and grow together with us in providing comprehensive, robust, and above all, stable solutions.